Hi folks, we are Sophie and Philippe, two professional chefs and regenerative farmers. Currently, we're setting up our second regenerative farm in central Portugal, where we grow food for our local community and share our knowledge both on the land and in the kitchen. On this channel, we take you along on the farm's development and we show you how we grow, cook and preserve nutrient-dense, regeneratively grown, delicious food. In a time where the food we're eating is literally killing us, the most powerful and impactful action one could take is to consume nutrient-dense, regeneratively grown, clean food. Let's grow it, let's cook it, let's do it. Hi folks, I'm doing a quick little sit down before we get into the recipe. So in next week's episode, I'm going to show you guys all of the farm stuff, especially what's going on in the garden and in the greenhouse, because as you all know, seeding has begun. All right, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you on the next video. The Farming Chefs, skip it to the end. Peace out.
Wish I had the world to give you, baby. I don't even have the time to tell you bedtime stories or to chase away the monsters from your mind. You know I can only give what I have. I'm sorry I was late today. I didn't get to see you dance the waltz. Spinning around the living room, all dressed up in your mother's clothes. Oh, you know I love her even when we fight. When I get home to you, I just wanna hold you and love you when you calling my name. Here I am. Wish I had the world to give you, baby. I don't even have the time to tell you bedtime stories or to chase away the monsters from your mind. Although I can only give what I have. When I get home